Broadway icon Lea Salonga will make history as the first Filipina who will receive a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. So for today's recap, let's talk about my favorite Lea Salonga film, Sana Maulit Muli. This 1995 romance film directed by Olivia Lamasan is about long-distance trains and personal growth that tear apart a longtime couple, Agnes, played by Lea Salonga, and Jerry, played by Aga Mulak, after Agnes migrates to the US. Years later, Jerry flies to America to win her back, only to discover she has transformed into an independent woman. Watching Lea Salonga in this film is captivating, especially she is well known on Broadway and for her superb singing. It is actually the first time that I watched her in a movie, and I must say, she really delivered alongside Aga Mulak, who is also amazing in this film. 20 years after its release, Sana Maulit Muli still connects with younger viewers and remains Lea Salonga's best film for me. Go check out Sana Maulit Muli now, and thanks for watching.